Today's video is all about rectifying alarm UV light trouble in our ballast water treatment system. It means we need to replace UV light as safe as we can. And I show you the tips. Not to damage any UV lamp as per instruction. The cost of each lamp is $800 each. If we convert to Philippine money, cost of 40,000 peso each lamp. And we have 36 pieces in two system, cost $28,800 equivalent to 1.4 million in Philippine peso. Yes, it is so expensive. I will show you step by step in the procedure, including isolation of the power source, password, and resetting running hours of UV lamps. First step is to turn off UV main circuit breaker inside the main panel and check the alarm. And see what is the number of the UV lamp, to identify the exact UV lamp trouble. Second step, remove the 4 securing nuts and remove the cover of UV unit both sides, front and rear. In the UV unit, there is a mark or a label engraved besides each lamps and easy to locate. Remove all bolts of waterproof module for lamp 15 and 16. Waterproof module is the connector which you connect the 15 and 16 UV lamp. Use an electric screwdriver if you have on board. It will help you to change lamps fast and easy. As per technician advice, it is good to replace 2 lamps at the same time to monitor the running hours. Remove 6 bolts that secures the waterproof module which the UV lamp wire is connected. While this next parts is the spring and earthquake proof module that the function is to secure the UV lamp in safe position against vibration, and it is also protected with a special O-rings to avoid penetrating water from coming out in case the sleeve is broken. After removing the waterproof module and the earthproof module, now you can remove also the old UV lamps. One of this UV lamp is busted, but we have a UV lamp testing equipment that we can identify whether it is good or busted. During replacement of the UV lamp, avoid touching the lamp with your fingers. Fingerprint can cause damage to the UV lamp. Don't forget the tips. That is the most important part that we remember always. Do not touch the lamp with your finger. Fingerprint can damage and causing reduced lifespan of the lamp. Did you got it? Okay, noted. As soon as I put the earthquake proof and spring to the UV lamp, now I can remove the plastic protection, and now I can install the new UV lamp without touching the lamp itself. I did not use a gloves in order to hold it properly and to avoid damaging this expensive UV lamp. Or the other way is to insert first the UV lamp before removing the plastic cover and install all connector. It's up to you what easy way to handle this UV lamp, as long as you didn't touch the lamp with your fingertips, and don't forget to check the O-rings if it is good condition. Need to replace the O-rings if you found damage to that parts. Need to check the other side O-rings if it is good condition. Need to replace the O-rings if you found damage to that parts. Check the tightness, and for me the position of wire is very important. You need to loop slightly to its connector for easy way putting back the cover and connectors. I am using electric screwdriver for fast and easy job. The setting is at the lowest torque, and later after secure all bolts are installed, that's the time we need to tighten all bolts. All cover and all nut must secure and tighten. Next, inside the panel we need to turn on the main UV circuit breaker. At the settings in HMI display, need to reset the UV time after replacing the lamps. In our case, the UV running hours is all back to 0 during upgrading IMO to USCG US Coast Guard setting in programming update. That's why all counter back in 0. In the HMI panel, password is 111111, which is 71 and without space. That's all, and thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook, Barku TV. Thanks for watching.